Welcome to the Incy alphabet, bite-sized lettering tutorials for your busy life. It's time for day 3 of the letter J. Now, today with our J, we are going to be solidifying it and giving it even more power. This kind of makes it look very feminine, but this is going to strengthen it and give that nice balance. We're going to be drawing the shadow all the way around by adding a line around the letter shape an equal distance away on both sides and all the way around the curves. What I find really helps, and what I would suggest, would be to do little sort of just hash marks around to give you a general sense of where your line should go. Then you could just go around and follow these. We'll make it so much easier. And as I always like to think, it's going to take less brain power. So that is perfect because I know that someone is going to come along and distract me partway through, and having the guidelines will give you that reminder of what comes next. Now, when you get to the area where you have these floral additions, you want to imagine that they're not there and continue your shadow on the base of this part of your letter, not any of these bits coming off. This shadow really is to help with the legibility of the letter itself, not to enhance the florals. Those are sort of the nice element that's coming off. The shadow is to strengthen the J. Once you've gone around and done your little hash marks, you can then go in and connect those. This helps to make it look more like a J, though you might end up with something like this where, I know for me when I look at this, I see an E, and you never want to have something like that that could detract from legibility. So this might be a great opportunity to go in and change that tail so that it's more of a J and less confusing for the viewer. Let's just take it back to how we had it before with a pointed end. Once you have your letter down, you could then go in and add some color to really make it pop. You can even add a little bit of an extra shadow coming off of one side. Allow this to be inspiration for some creativity and some time to just relax and doodle and draw and color. So this week's letter has been a little bit outside of the box, but I just want you to start thinking of ways that you can make your letters different without just changing the expected things. So why not add something a little bit fun into and integrate it with your letter while still maintaining the way that your letter looks, with the rest of it still being a J. Don't forget to share your work with the hashtag IncyAlphabet so that we can create together.